Stay till the end because I will show you 3 key level zones where smart money is waiting. Last week, gold traders were trapped, some bought at the breakout, others sold too early. And the market did what it always does, it punished emotions. But this week, we are not trading emotions, we are trading levels, and these levels can decide the next big move in gold. So this means next week is not about guessing directions, it's about reacting to precious levels. First, we will see the support zone and resistance zone. So our resistance zones as per the chart will come to 4825 to 4840, and our support zone we can see as per chart shall come to 4760 to 4770. After that, we can see for the breakout levels also, which will be 4825, and bearish breakout will be at 4750. These four levels can control your entire week. In bullish scenario, if price holds above the demand zone, the buyers will step in aggressively, and the buy plan will be from support side, and it will go to target 4825, which is our breakout level. And if it breaks more on top of this, we can see the next target at 4875. So this breakout level will be our TP1, and this above breakout 4875 will be our TP2 expected if the price after touching the support zone here goes up from here and again break the breakout level and go on top of it from here again, we can expect the second target to be this TP2, which is 4875. Now let's talk about the bearish scenario. As you know, the gold loves liquidity traps. If price break from this resistance zone, the seller may takes control. Then our bearish plan will be sell from this zone, which is 4825 to 4840, and it will target down, and we can expect the target to hit 4760, which is our down support level. And if it breaks again below this, we can see a one more move to 4720. And if the price still holds here, we can expect the extended target to be more down, and it can go to till 4700. This is where emotional traders get trapped. They buy at the top and smart money sells into them. Now listen carefully, this is the most important part. If price breaks above 4825 with strong momentum, we are not selling anymore. We switch to breakout buying. Breakout plan is buy above 4825, which is this zone, and target to 4875 or 4900. And our stop loss will be below the breakout candle. This is how professional traders trade. They don't predict, they react. Let me summarize this again and simplify everything. Our support zone is 4760 to 4770. Our resistance zone is 4825 to 4840. Our breakout level is 4825. Our bearish breakdown is 4750. This one 4750. These force levels can control your entire week. Trading gold is not about being right, it's about being prepared. If this analysis helps you stay disciplined, then next week you are already ahead of 90% traders. Subscribe because next week we trade with patience, not emotions.